Over the years, our houses are definitely going to need some repairs and upgrades to keep it sturdy and well maintained. Those minor home repairs or do-it-yourself projects such as fixing leaky faucets and pipes, changing broken doorknobs and drawer slides will be a lot more difficult if you don't have the right tools. But don't worry, because today we're going to cover the 5 best tool sets available to help you get your DIY projects and small home improvement jobs done effectively. It's essential to have these tools at home because it also saves you from having to pay a repair expert and allows you to enhance your own craftsmanship. You can even explore some of your own creativity by doing home improvement projects. So stay with us as we unfold the 5 most reliable, durable, and top-rated tool sets today. Let's begin. At number 1 on our list is the DEWALT 200-piece mechanics tool set. If you're searching for a premium high-quality toolkit to use in fixing your car or small home repairs, then this one is the one you want. This product is a 200-piece tool set that's functional and handy. It comes with a durable hard case for extra protection and easy identification of all pieces. This helps you secure and organize your tools in a spot that you're going to need it fast and easy. What's more, the accessory case can also be removed from the set and you can detach and bring it wherever you need. Compared to other tool sets, this product is complete with SAE and metric tools. It boasts a 72-tooth ratchet that's perfect for high torque ratcheting. It has a curled beauty ring to prevent slippage and provide a better grip for hand tightening applications. It also comes with a heavy-duty slip-free screwdriver that's comfortable to use. The set includes 45 standard sockets, 26 deep sockets, 17 bit sockets, 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drive ratchets, 13 accessories, 9 combination wrenches, 28 hex keys, 5 nut bits, and 44 specialty bits. The wrenches and sockets are often used in automotive garage uses and also in fixing certain parts of the vehicle. They're both useful and easy to apply torque in those objects, and all of these pieces are essential in case you need to repair anything within your home or car. The DEWALT 200-piece mechanics tool set is also backed up with a lifetime limited warranty. Taking our second spot is the CRESCENT Tools CTK 170 MPN mechanics tool set, 170 pieces. Being a homeowner comes with a great responsibility. At least once a month, it's a must to ensure that every corner of your home is checked to see that things are in need of repair. In that way, you can assure that your hard-earned investment is safe from damage. Now the question is, do you have the tools to do so? Well, the CRESCENT 170-piece tool set is complete with all the tools that are perfect for industrial, mechanical, and consumer applications. Whether you need to fix your car, house, furniture, or outdoor equipment, these tools are very helpful. This product is the updated version of the top-selling CTK 170 CMP2, so rest assured that you'll get the best pieces available, as they're made of chrome vanadium steel alloy to resist corrosion and to preserve its durability, not to mention being easy to clean. This tool set includes all the basic hand tools, like a 60-tooth ratchet in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drives, 1/4 inch and 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets in standard and metric sizes, 5/8 and 3/16 spark plug sockets, standard and metric combination wrenches, and both slotted and Phillips head screwdrivers. It also has pliers, bit drivers, nut drivers, hex wrenches, and more. Each of these tools is improved to make them more functional and sturdy. The ratchets also have a teardrop-shaped head and longer handle designed for optimum control and support. It has a quick release button to help you change sockets quickly. The drive sockets are in a slide-to-open holder for easy access to every piece. Aside from that, the screwdrivers have a color-coded handle so you can easily see what you need, and a black oxide-coated tip for better grip on the screws. At number 3 is the Apollo 161-piece household toolkit. If you need a toolkit that'll help you with basic installation, assembly, and home improvement, this product is perfect. It comes in a heavy-duty, hard-sided tri-fold case that helps you keep hand tools safe and organized. It also meets or exceeds the ANSI critical standards, so you can rest assured that you're going to get the best kit for your home. This 161-piece toolkit contains all the necessary tools needed for home projects. It includes an 8.5-inch wire crimper and stripper, slotted 1/4-inch and 4-inch screwdriver, a Phillips 2x4-inch screwdriver, 8-ounce claw hammer, 4.8-volt cordless rechargeable screwdriver and charger, 4 1-inch bits, 6-inch diagonal pliers, 6-inch long nose pliers, a 100-piece wall hanging kit, 12-foot measuring tape, electrical voltage tester, ratcheting bit driver, 2 inches of magnetic bit extensions, UL electrical tape, slotted 1/8 to 3-inch screwdriver, 8-inch adjustable wrench, a Phillips 3-inch screwdriver, 2 3-inch spring clamps, 9-inch magnetic level, and 6-inch stainless steel ruler. All of the hand and power tools in this kit are constructed with high-quality material that are heat-treated and chrome-plated to resist corrosion, so you will have it for a lifetime. The 4.8-volt rechargeable cordless screwdriver with 40 bits is very versatile and can be used in any home repair or DIY project. As for the way it handles, it's made of double-dip plastic to ensure the durability and sturdiness of each tool. Rest assured you're getting one of the best toolkits on the market when you purchase the Apollo 161-piece household toolkit. We're now down to our last 2 items. Having tools at home is handy because you never know when you might need it. There are so many tools to choose from, but not all of them are as practical and reliable, so it's best to select the set that contains the right tools for your projects. Before we get to our next 2 products, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join our growing community. You can also tap the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Now let's continue with our next product. At number 4 is the Best Choice Products 108-piece home repair toolkit with toolbox storage case, a perfect fit for any home project. When buying a tool set, it's important to consider the quality to ensure its efficiency and versatility, not to mention your own safety. Constructed with chrome vanadium steel that's corrosion resistant, this product will surely last a lifetime of normal home use. The handles of the tools are made of high-quality materials with an ergonomic grip. Equipped with 108 pieces, this set includes 9-inch torpedo level, 6-inch long nose pliers, 6-inch wire pliers, 4 precision screw badges, 2 6x100mm dual screwdrivers, 6x38mm slotted screwdriver, 6x38 Phillips screwdriver, 18mm snap-off knife, 10 knife blades, adjustable wrench, 5 meters of measuring tape, an 8-ounce claw hammer, 11 6-angled wrenches, 9 internal 6-angled sockets, 36 head screwdrivers of 25mm, high carbon steel screw rod, 12 65mm long head screwdrivers, ratchet wrench, and an aluminum alloy flashlight, all in a plastic box. Unlike other tool sets, this product is complete with every tool that you can think of for home repair or DIY projects, helping you with home decor or furniture. With this kit, you can fix almost anything around your house without hurting your budget. It also includes a standard fluted screwdriver set. Its durable, compact carrying case helps you keep your tools safe and organized. It's also handy in case you need to bring your tools where you go, as the traveling box only measures 10 by 2.9 by 11.9 inches with a weight of just 7.7 pounds. Everything you might need all packed in one box. Our 5th and final item is the Olympia Tools 8787 tool set. With 170 pieces, this product is perfect for those home improvement projects. It will also help you tackle basic repairs like fixing a broken doorknob, leaky faucet, or anything else that needs to be patched up. It comes with a durable carrying case, and you can bring those tools wherever you need, whenever you want. The case can also be opened a full 360 degrees for easy access to each tool. This versatile tool set includes a 1-piece clear case with 39-piece fasteners, 6-inch diagonal pliers, 6-inch long nose pliers, a driver handle, an adjustable wrench that's 6 inches long, 20 driver bits, 8 Metrix hex keys, 8 SAE hex keys, an 80-ounce claw hammer, a 1 9-inch torpedo level, 4 precision screwdrivers, both slotted and Phillips, an 8-inch crimping tool, a 1/4-inch drive ratchet handle, 8 1/4-inch drive sockets, 8 1/4-inch drive metric sockets, and a 10-foot tape measure. Having a tool set like this helps you be your own handyman and saving more while keeping your home well maintained. If there's projects you can do alone with the right tools, remember to wear safety glasses and use the correct tool for the right job to prevent hazards. A tool set is truly a must-have in every household. With the right tools, you can repair just about anything. All you need to do is choose the one that best suits your needs. If you saw one on our list that you like, click the link in the description box to catch that tool set at its best price. Let us know if there's a product you'd like to see in one of our upcoming videos by writing your suggestions below. We'll try to give you a fair and square review. Also, remember to tap that bell icon to receive a notification whenever we feature your request. If you want to see more product reviews like this, go ahead and hit the button and subscribe to our channel. You'll also get to be a part of our growing community. We hope to see you in our next video, and thanks for watching the ReviewTube channel.